Today is my wedding day. I am at the old church. The stone walls are very cold. I wear a black tuxedo. My white shirt is very clean. I have a small white rose. It is on my left lapel. My best man stands near me. He tells me a funny joke. I laugh to stay very calm. My heart is beating very fast. I look at the big clock. It is almost 3 o'clock. The guests are sitting down. I see my mother in front. She wears a beautiful blue dress. She has a happy tissue. The church smells like sweet lilies. Many candles are burning brightly. The light is very soft here. I check my pockets once. I want to be very ready. The music starts to play. It is a very slow piano. I take a very deep breath. My hands are a little sweaty. I wipe them on my pants. Everyone is looking at the door. The sun shines through glass, creates many colorful spots. I feel very lucky today. My family is all here. My friends are smiling at me. The priest is standing ready. He has a very kind face. He tells me to be brave. I am ready for my bride. This is a very special moment. My life changes today. I wait for my beautiful Sophie. The big doors open wide. The music becomes very loud. Everyone stands up very quickly. I see a flash of white. Sophie is finally here. She looks like an angel. Her dress is ivory silk. The lace is very delicate. It shines in the sunlight. She walks with her father. He looks very proud today. Sophie has a big bouquet. It has roses and lilies. Her hair is in a bun. She wears a long veil. The veil follows her slowly. She looks at my eyes. I feel very emotional. She has a beautiful smile. She walks down the aisle. The floor is covered in petals. They are pink and white. Every step is very graceful. She reaches the front. Her father takes her hand. He gives her hand to me. I say thank you to him. He nods with a smile. Sophie stands next to me. I smell her sweet perfume. She looks perfect today. Her eyes are very bright. I whisper that she is pretty. She blushes a little bit. The music stops playing. The church is very quiet. We face the kind priest. My dream is coming true. We are together at last. The ceremony begins.
Leave a comment under this video and one of you will get 40 English lessons for free.
The priest starts to speak. He talks about love. He talks about true friendship. Sophie and I hold hands. Her skin is very soft. I look at her face. It is my turn first. I take a small paper. I wrote my vows yesterday. My voice is a bit shaky. I promise to be kind. I promise to be faithful. I will love her forever. I will help her always. She listens to every word. She has a small tear. It is a happy tear. Now it is her turn. She speaks very clearly. She promises her heart. She talks about our future. We want a happy home. We want a big family. The guests are very quiet. Some people are crying. These are very sweet vows. I feel very proud of her. She is my best friend. The sun is very warm. It hits the flower vases. The church feels like magic. I forget the many guests. I only see my Sophie. We are in our world. The priest smiles at us. He likes our sincere words. We finish our long vows. I feel a great peace. The hardest part is over. Love is in the air. The best man steps forward. He has a velvet box. The box is dark red. He opens it slowly. I see 2 gold rings. They are very shiny. I take the smaller ring. It is for Sophie. I take her left hand. I look at her finger. I speak the holy words. This ring is a circle. A circle has no end. My love has no end. I slide the ring on. It fits her perfectly. Sophie takes the bigger ring. It is my wedding ring. She takes my left hand. She looks into my eyes. She says the same words. I feel the cold metal. It slides onto my finger. Now we both have rings. They are symbols of love. I feel very married. The gold reflects the light. It looks very beautiful. Our hands stay together. We are bound by gold. The priest blesses the rings. He says a short prayer. I feel very blessed today. The rings are very heavy. They are very important. I will never take it off. Sophie smiles at her ring. She loves the yellow gold. The ceremony is almost done. The priest looks at us. He says the final words. I pronounce you husband and wife. The guests start to clap. You may kiss the bride. I move very close to her. I lift her long veil. I put it over her head. Her face is very clear. I put my hands on her. I kiss her very gently. It is our first kiss. It is our married kiss. I feel so much joy. Sophie kisses me back. The church is very loud. Everyone is cheering for us. Some people are whistling. White petals fall down. They fall from the ceiling. They land on my hair. They land on her dress. It looks like summer snow. We pull away and laugh. We look at the crowd. My father is waving. Sophie's mother is happy. We are a new family. I hold her hand tight. We turn to the aisle. The music starts again. It is a fast song. It is a happy song. We are Mr. and Mrs. I am a lucky husband. She is a happy wife. We start to walk out. Our friends follow us. The sun is outside. We go to the light. We walk out the doors. The air is very fresh. The sky is very blue. Many people are outside. They have bags of seeds. They throw the birdseed. It hits my black jacket. We laugh and we run. It is a fun tradition. I see a big car. It is our wedding car. It has many white ribbons. It has a just married sign. Sophie waves to everyone. She looks so radiant. I open the car door. She sits inside carefully. I sit next to her. The seats are very soft. We look out the window. Our friends are shouting. They wish us good luck. The driver starts the car. We drive away slowly. I look at my ring. I look at Sophie's ring. We are finally married. The mission is complete. We go to the party. There will be much cake. There will be much dancing, but first we rest. I kiss her hand gently. She puts her head down. She rests on my shoulder. It was a perfect day. I am very tired but happy. Life is a big adventure. I love my wife, Sophie. We have a bright future.